Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got my little nephew here. We've got for you a B&M haul. Was it a B&M? I think it was, yeah. And I'll film that on the floor, and then just a bit of a collaboration with a shoe trainer company. So I'll jump straight into this video now. So I'm bolting onto this video another little mini haul. It's not really enough to do on its own, but it's from B&M. And I've got a few different bits this time, so that's why I've decided to show them on the channel. Okay, I'll start with the food and then we'll go over to the homeware bits. So this I've had before. I do actually prefer the chili one, but this is tomato and basil pasta. It's just pasta twists, and it is 282 calories. I have that with a lovely big salad at lunchtime, maybe a little sprinkling of parmesan or something over the top. Very tasty and very filling. £1.49. I love these mini eggs. They are my favourites. They've gone up to £1.09, and I'm going to have a couple of these once I've finished filming. So next to these rice crackers, these are for my husband Alan. He absolutely loves rice crackers. He normally has the ones from Sainsbury's, but we don't tend to get there very often, so it's good to find some others elsewhere. They come in sweet chilli, and there's also a cheese flavour as well from B&M. 99p, and he said they're really nice, so I'm really pleased to have found those in there. I love this range. It's the Skinny Food Co range. I've not had this before. Actually, they're not that cheap. They're £1.99 a bottle. But you do get quite a lot in there. So this is vanilla creamer. Now this, I presume, is to go in coffees and things like that, but I'm going to add a bit of this to my porridge in the morning, just to see if it jazzes it up with a little nice taste of vanilla. So it's 0 calories. Don't think it's probably very good for you. It's full of artificial stuff, but 0 calories to me is good. So if I've tried it before the video's published, I'll just add a little thing on the screen now. I may also try that on ice cream, so we'll see. And then I also use this in my porridge as well now. This is the Skinny Golden Syrup, again £1.99. I have a squirt of this and then I have a squirt of normal golden syrup, so just cuts back on a few calories. I love these post-it notes, sticky block. So handy, aren't they? I'm going to pop these in the kitchen downstairs. £1.50 for 400 sticky bits. This stuff's brilliant. I used to get the, what's the other brand? Vanish. The Vanish one's so much more expensive. So I've been trying the pink stuff for coloured colours and for whites, and I use this on our towels. It was only £2.50 and it's really, really good. So yeah, definite recommendation that if you do a lot of whitewashing. Couple of new bits next. This caught my attention, possibly because it looks so beautiful. It is bin freshener. It was £1.99 and it is in the fragrance Fantabulosa. Right, let me lift the lid and have another sniff. I did have a sniff in the shop and it was lovely. So there we go. Yeah, I wish you could smell it, but clearly you can't. It's lovely, actually. I really like it. So I might sprinkle a bit of that in our wheelie bin, and I actually bought it to go in our kitchen bin because, you know, you always get a little bit of fragrance where food scrapings or whatever go. A little tip for you, I saw on somebody else's channel years ago. If you get some kitchen towel and squirts a bit of Zoflora on it and put it in the bottom of the bin, that's quite nice as well. But this, I think, also helps to dry things. So I'm really pleased to have picked that up. For £1.09, thought I'd try this as well. This is the Fabulosa Toilet Cleaning Gel in Electrify. I know I like the Electrify scent because I've had some of the bits in that and I've smelt it before. But look at that packaging. It's lovely, isn't it? So yeah, bit of bog cleaner. They had, as I walked in the door, some new items from Febreze. It's a limited edition smell. It's called strawberry, oh, I can't speak. Strawberry swirl scent. Strawberry swirl scent. I like these little refreshers. I've started using these in our toilets. So always like to try a new fragrance. £2.50. These are what I actually went in for. I saw them a couple of weeks ago, but they didn't have two matching colours. So these are the topiary artificial balls to go outside our front door. They were only £10 each, which is an absolute bargain, and I think they look pretty nice. And what I was pleased with is this black chain link Normally you get silver chain link and they rust, so I'm hoping with it being black you won't be able to see the rust as much. But they had this in the white, like a pale pink, and also lavender, the flowers, flower colours on each of them, and it's like a tricolour leaves, a few different shades of those. So yeah, absolutely delighted with those. So I've got 2 of those for £20, such a bargain. I also picked up a couple of these under shelf mug holders, not realising I don't have shelves where I keep my mugs. So I think I'm going to have to take these back unless I have a bit of a reorganisation and move my mugs somewhere else. But that's really bad planning on my part. But these are only £2.50, so really good. I'm trying to think where else I could use them. If I could use them for something else. If you've got any ideas, pop them in the comments down below, because £2.50 is not bad at all, is it? I'm just thinking what else I can hang off them. I know they're meant for mugs, but maybe we could find something else. And then finally for this part of the haul, I got this little handheld fan. Isn't it gorgeous? So there it is. It's this lovely rose gold colour. You get a stand. How snazzy. And charge it by USB, which is even better because my other fan took batteries and they used to wear out really quickly. It says, how long does this last for? I read it, I think, oh there you go, 4 hours of run time. Presume that's not on super duper speed. And because I'm on the menopause, I don't have too many hot sweats now. I'm on HRT, but I also thought for in the summer, because when it comes to summer, you can't get fans anywhere, can you? So this was £9. So I'll just turn it on for you. That's the first speed, second speed, third speed, which is, it's not overly powerful, but it certainly will do the job. £9 that was, really good price, I thought. And they had them in the rose gold, white and silver, I think, with the 3 options. But people also use these to dry makeup as well, you know, like when you set your face at the end of doing your makeup. So you might give it a whirl. But yeah, I think, no, I'm going to say those are my favourite bit of the haul, closely followed by that. Right, back on to another part of the video. So just jumping on this part of the video with a collaboration with a company called Fitville. I've never heard of these before. They approached me and said would I like to work with them. So I had a quick look on the website and said yes please. A lot of you know I am really into sort of fitness training. I like running, walking, jogging, that sort of thing, weight training. So when they said would I like to choose a few pairs of trainers or walking shoes, I was straight on the website. So Fitville sell shoes, mainly trainers, that are wide fit, or if you've got problematic feet, if you've got issues with your arches. I've got a bit of a bunion, got a bit of a wide foot at the end, so I do find a lot of trainers I have to size up in them so they don't sort of constrict my foot too much. Well, obviously when you size up, they make your feet look longer, blah blah blah. So yeah, I was delighted when they said did I want to try some of their shoes. So I'll just go through the designs I've chosen and show you what they look like. So first up, I chose these. You know I love Converse and Converse dupes, but never seen any like this before. Look at those. Dog tooth or hound's tooth, depending on where you're from. And they're like a creamy colour. Nice thick sole, super duper comfortable, really like these. Now the only thing with these, I'm between a 4 or a 5, and I chose these in a UK 4.5, and I should have sized down in these. I think I could have got away with a UK 4 because they are that bit wider, which is a bit of a shame because I really like them, but I think if I tie them up enough I'll be able to wear them. But lovely, look at those, aren't they nice? So what I'll do, I'll put all the details of this company along with any discount codes that they've offered us and any product links in the description box down below. Next up, a pair of walking trainers. Aren't these nice? I thought these were really different, slightly different colour. Tend to go for black a lot of the time in my walking shoes, or grey, so I thought I'd switch it up a bit. These are like a purple. They're purple black and then this lovely aqua colour, really like those, and they've got decent sole for if you're doing a bit of rock climbing or anything like that when you need a bit of grip. So you'll see what they look like from the try-on clip. And these are, so because I'll be wearing thick socks with these, I actually went for a 5.5 and they fit perfectly with a little bit of space for a thicker sock. So yeah, I love those. And they are water resistant. Next up, some lovely trainers. Absolutely. When I opened these, I was like, please fit, because I love them. So, aren't they cute? I love them. So, they're like grey, white, baby blue. Have I got a bit of pink in? Yeah, baby pink and a bit of mint. Absolutely love those colours, especially coming into the spring, summer. I think they are gorgeous. And because again, they are the wide fit, I've been able to size down a little bit. I went for a 4.5 in those and they fit perfectly. And again, they're wide fit. This company also offer extra wide. So you've got a normal wide fit and then you can have 2 times wide fit. So if you've got really big wide feet or a really bothersome bunions, check them out. And the last pair of shoes or trainers are these beauties. Love these. So I went for something a little bit plainer, just to go with jeans and jeggings and even shorts in the summer. So these are a canvas material. I love that, sort of the, what would you call that? Textured or honeycomb. Again, super duper comfortable, nice and wide. And I went for these also in a 4.5. Yeah, I like those. So they are white with a bit of blue. They actually look a bit like, do you remember Fila? You can still get Fila. They were all the rage when I was a bit younger. So they look a little bit like those, but they're lovely, like a tennis shoe. I won't wear those for sports. I'm going to keep those for best to go with my jeans and shorts in the summer. And then they also have some accessories. So I chose this delightful sports bag. Really like that. I'm going to use this actually for travel rather than sports. It's got inside of it, really clever idea, it's got a little sort of a plastic lining, so if you did put gym kit in it, it keeps it away from the rest of the rest of your clothes. Or now, would you get trainers in there? Yeah, you could get trainers in there, I think. And then look at this snazzy little thing. There you go. You can put your trainers in. Separate part, keeps them away from everything else in the bag. So in the bag then you've got a bit for your trainers and then a bit for any wet kit. And it also comes with a big long strap, and then you've got another little pocket there to put your water bottle in. So yeah, I thought that was a really nice bag. I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. But as I said, I think I'm going to use that for travel rather than going to the gym. So as I said at the beginning of the video, I'll put all the details in the description box down below along with any discount codes. So thanks very much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.